We are here to attend the Regional Linking and Learning event for the Anglophone countries of the Right Here, Right Now program. This is the fourth and probably final Regional Linking and Learning event. Today, we have been able to hear about some people sharing success stories of what their organizations have achieved over the course of the program, and we've also been able to learn from each other what has worked well and what they would love to see going forward in terms of sustainability after the Right Here, Right Now project has been concluded.
So one of the most interesting sessions for me today was when you had to go through the different community of practice, that is meaningful inclusive youth participation, comprehensive sexuality education, dealing with opposition, and digitalization. But I got to discover that different countries handle these COPs differently, but one of the most interesting ones for me was Kenya. They have very many materials that they are using to display the information regarding sexual reproductive health and rights. And one of them was the manuals they use, the aprons that actually talk about the different contraceptive use, and their decorative posters and flyers that engage with very many young people. And also digitalization with RHRN. They're doing an amazing job with the film industry, making use of social media, coming up with all these apps, and then all our partners are also doing a great job. So I got to discover that we can make more use of the digital platforms that we have to reach out to other young people, despite the program, of course, coming to an end. But then we can use what is available to make sure that SRHR does not stop here, but we continue further with our movement.
There have been sharings from different young people about how their countries have been able to handle meaningful and inclusive youth participation throughout the course of Right Here, Right Now, and also how further going the information that they have gained, the knowledge and experiences they have had are going to stay with them and what they are going to be able to do after the project has concluded.
I am amazed with the level of involvement of high-profile partners who are not even members of Right Here, Right Now. We had UNFPA participating for the 3 days of the workshop. We had the Embassy of Netherlands and distinguished partners. We had IPPF from Nairobi. We had our partners beyond the East African region. We had participants from Ethiopia, from Kenya, and Uganda. But in addition to that, we were joined by our Asian colleagues from Philippines, Indonesia, Nepal. And I want to say the workshop demonstrated the power of young people. They led the organization, they were the facilitators, they were the managers of the event, and it was full of energy. We were graced with a high-powered delegation from Reproductive in the Netherlands and RHRN Media, who are our northern consortium partners, and they were able to share with us their experiences, and they were also able to listen to our experiences. This is part of the preparation for the final global learning and linking workshop for Right Here, Right Now. And with what we saw in this event, I want to presume that even the global one will be amazing. If not, the bar has been set very high.
As the project comes to an end, I am grateful to the funders of the Right Here, Right Now project, Reproductive, for the opportunities that have been availed to us, the young people in the coalition of Uganda, as well as in the region of East Africa. Their support has been able to help us go a long way in reaching young people, especially in the rural areas and far-to-reach communities, with the much needed information about sexual and reproductive health that they otherwise would not have had if we didn't also have this opportunity. So I am grateful, and I wish that maybe in the future there would be other programs that enable young people like me to reach out to others and also to receive the information that they need about sexual and reproductive health.
I want to appreciate the knowledge base, and there is no doubt that the Right Here, Right Now has built a network. They has built a team of young people. Even when it concludes the aspirations of Right Here, Right Now, meaningful youth involvement, partnerships, policies, they will build with us. And what a sustainable movement which has been built. Thank you.